Alright, my tier list of all games. So, of course, if I've never played them, I'll put them here. There's probably gonna be a lot there. Street Fighter, I think this is the original. I've actually never played it. There's a lot of games I've never played, so. Whenever I choose, well, actually, I'm just gonna guess it's going off the, I'm just gonna say it's gonna go off of any one of those games. Cause yeah, it doesn't show a number on any of these. So I'm just gonna guess it's gonna be all the games. Street Fighter, it's mid. Well, no, it's above average. I'll say that. Some people hate me. See, I have never played the original Red Dead, but I have played Red Dead Redemption 2. I'm gonna put it very good. It's not yet a masterpiece, but it's very good. Halo, I'll put inside good. Good is a good spot. Grand Theft Auto. Yeah. Mass Effect, I played the third one. It's mid. Sims. It's good. You can torture people, which I like. Never played that. I have played Resident Evil. I barely played it. I'm gonna say it's good though, cause I enjoyed it. I've never played that game. I have played some of the Mortal Kombat games. I'm gonna say very good. I don't know what the frick that is. Okay, Battlefield? Mid. Honestly. So many people are gonna get mad at me because of that, but I've played, yeah, like, again, I think it's just going off of any of the games. I played the VR Medal of Honor. I played Medal of Honor by Beyond, that's what it is. Freaking very good, man. They did work. Minecraft, I'll say good. Forza, mid. Because I don't really like car racing games. Call of Duty, it's gonna have to go inside masterpiece, bro. Only some of the Call of Duties. Talking to you, Modern Warfare 3. Doom, also a masterpiece. I've never played that one. I don't know what the frick that game is. I'm not sure if I played that one. Persona seems... Wolfenstein, I played it. You know what? I'll put it in good. Elder Scrolls, oh, I'm just picking out there. I never played that one, never played that one. I have played some Lego games. Not good. Fallout. Very good. I'm not gonna say it's a masterpiece, but Super Mario, you know what? Above average. Surprisingly, well, I did play some of the Zelda games on the Nintendo DS, so mid. Oh, I think I put this down there. I probably accidentally grabbed it. Okay, Metroid, I never played that. A lot of these I've actually never played. I've never played that. I think I played some Final Fantasy. It's been a long time. I'm gonna say above average. Nope. I do want to play Quake. I want to play... Gosh, a lot of these games I want to play. I don't know what this one is. I do have Portal 2, just I still haven't played it. So, yeah, there's gonna be a lot of these since I've only played a little bit of games. Sonic, no, I can't say masterpiece. I can say good. I played some of the Yuzuka games. They're above average. I played Super Smash Bros. I'm gonna have to say good. I don't really like Super Smash Bros. Nope. Sounds like a game for me. Oh my gosh, what the frick? I'm not sure if I played any of the Pokemon games, so I'm gonna leave that there. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry that there's so many of these in here, but I haven't played. Alright, finally, I believe I played FIFA. I don't like sports, so below average. You know what? I'm not even gonna put this inside sorry. I'm not even gonna put this inside never played, bro. Trash! Okay, I am. Need for Speed. I played Batman. It is actually very good. Injustice, it's basically Mortal Kombat. I also gotta do it justice, so yeah, ignore these unless you want to buy Chevrolet. I didn't say that right. I've always loved Midnight Club. I still have a game. I still love it. It's on my PS3, so it's gonna have to go inside Masterpiece, bro. It is way better than Forza. Even some of the oldest games they got still better than Forza Motorsport. I want to play Stalker, but I think I'm gonna wait until the second one gets released. Alright. Titanfall 2 was my favorite game. Masterpiece. Masterpiece. Has to be into Masterpiece. Okay, Gears of War. It was never that good. Metal Gear. Never played. Yeah, there's still gonna be a lot, though. I played Rainbow Six. It's very good. Well, no, I don't think it's that good. I'm just gonna put it at above average. I don't really think it's that good. Assassin's Creed. Honestly, I don't really like stealth stuff. Let me. Oh, it's not working. There we go. I'll do Watch Dogs. I've always loved Watch Dogs, and it has to be inside very good. Dishonored. We're up to good. Yeah, good is a good place for it. Left 4 Dead. Whoo, Left 4 Dead. Masterpiece. I've also played Madden. It's gotta go FIFA. I'm not sure if I played NBA. I definitely have played this. It's gonna pretty much all the sports are gonna go here. Yeah, I'm just, well, no, I haven't played these, like, at all. Gosh, there's so many of these. I'm gonna go through all of these, aren't I? Okay, Assassin's Creed, okay. Alright. Yeah, I gotta, well, wait, no, this is my chart, sorry. Mid. I never liked stealth games. I still don't. Battlefront, it's good. I don't play it anymore, but it's good. Alright, Animal Crossing. Woo! I love this game. It's gonna have to go to very good. God of War there. Reroll Naruto. Naruto. I keep saying Naruto. Most of this is just gonna be dragging me into the never played section now. Right, I played Pac-Man. I mean, of course it has to be Nintendo Masterpiece. It's good. I like it, but also, yeah, these were the first games ever, so I gotta put them there. I don't know what that one is. I was about to say, is that game called Bomberman? But apparently it's not. I've never played Splinter Cell. I have played Ghost Recon. I haven't played enough of it, but I'll say it's good. Since I just played it for a little while, and I just stopped playing it. I didn't know they made these games. What the? I didn't watch anime though. I played some Crysis games. They are very good. I think I played Crysis 3. How much I got left? Ooh, that's quite a bit. No. I think I played a little bit. It's scary. And, I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. Where'd it go? Okay, it went bye-bye. I don't know where it went. Wherever it got put? Oh, no, it's good. It's actually very good. Right. Horizon Chase. Okay, I played the Dead Space remake. Of course, I didn't play enough of it, but very good. So many people are gonna get mad. I've never played that game. So many of these guys, you will get mad. I played FNAF before. It is a masterpiece. I mean, it literally took, right now, pretty much, let's say a third of my life where I liked it. Yeah, so, it's good. After this, I'm gonna see if they have any VR games. Alright, Sniper Elite Masterpiece. Easy. Blue. Shames the K. It's below average. It's not very good. Of course, so many people are gonna get mad at me, but it just doesn't look very good and stuff. Space Invaders. No, I gotta put it here. It also changed the world. Yeah, there's probably over 100 inside of that. Ugh. Oh, this doesn't interfere with the mic, but I'm slooped down into my chair. My finger's starting to hurt. That's how many times I've done this. You already know what I gotta put this as, bro. You already know. Like, woo! One of the best games ever. Insurgency, one of the best games ever. Insurgency Sandstorm, man, that fire. I played Overwatch 2. It's mid. It's very good. I don't really like Borderlands, but it's good. I can already see Far Cry here. Ooh, oh my lord, sorry. Where did I put Far Cry? I don't really know where I put Far Cry, but just know Far Cry's supposed to be up here. It's supposed to be Masterpiece. Saints Row. Above average. No, I would love to do all of these games, but no. Mario Kart, bruh. It's good. Mario Party. It's below average. I don't really like Mario Party. Never played that. What the frick is Super Mario Strikers? Paper Mario. Yeah, I freaking no. I gotta no. Yeah, I can't do that. I did like it whenever I got into it. I've always loved this game. I've always loved this game. I just don't play it anymore. Well, I actually can't because, well, my charger for my DS is broken. That's why I have it on. Was that a World War? Well, alright. No. Never played that. I played the Destiny games. It's mid. I have mixed feelings about it. Right. All these games I've never played in my life. So go ahead and roast me. Oh, there's Far Cry. I'm gonna have to say Far Cry 5 had to be the best game out of all of them. That's other people's opinions. Yeah, here's my list. You know what? No, I literally said they're trash. I gotta move these down more. They are trash. And also, I'm just gonna rearrange this. I never liked Mario Kart. I've never liked Gears of War either, but it's gotta go to mid. Lego, you know what? I'm gonna move it up. I'm gonna move it up to below average. Oh yeah, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna see. By the way, yes, you just search up Tier Maker. Then you can go here. It's free. Alright, yes, this is something I can do. Alright. Okay. So, I have to see here. Alright, that looks like a fragment. Oh, it's an armored fragment. Okay. I can do armored fragments. Okay. Armored fragments, they're still very easy. I'm just gonna put them like S is gonna be the hardest to defeat, and D is gonna be the easiest. They're still pretty easy. BTR, you can't defeat this thing. I mean, bro, it's... You know what? No. I'll give it C2, because... B, I've died to them before, but only if it's like a barrage. Alright, yeah. Gotta take an A. Also, yeah, they can stay there. Shadow, or... Yeah, Phantoms. Those have to stay. Seekers. They kill me. Well, they haven't really killed me at all, I'm sure, but... They scare me. Pretty much that kills me. Alright, Armored Mimic. Has to go up there. Because, I mean, if you don't have AP ammo, I guess these... Oh, I'll move this up. Because if you don't have AP ammo, you cannot kill these guys at most. You still can, but... Alright, sliders, they're not very hard. One Mosin shot to the body will drop them. Then this is... like the SWAT and the Commandos. I don't really know which one this is. I'll put it there. You know what? Actually, I'll move the slider up. Because some people, like, cannot... Oh, I know, this is armored. Okay. Yeah, if you don't have AP ammo, this will be hard to take care of. I'm actually gonna move this up. Yeah. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do the guns. That should be a lot. You know what? No. I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Alright. First, I know this is gonna be a lot, but whatever. First we got Ion. Ion is, I usually use Ion. It's super powerful. It's probably the most powerful of them all, so I'm actually gonna put inside S. He's gonna go inside A. Can't really do too much damage, but you can do a lot. C. D. You can, I mean, sure, you can use his ability, but... I might have to put that in C, B, A. Also, this would have been up here, but it only has a very limited amount of health. So we can't really do much. So I lied. I'm doing another one. I'm gonna think. Okay. No, it's not the... No. I want this. Alright, this is gonna be the absolute last one. I've been here for 24 minutes. Alright. First, was this on Quest? Is this? No, I think it's on PCVR, dang it. Alright. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see him better always. I can still put him to categories. I'll have to move it though. As I get through the guns, no, I won't. because they'll just come here. This gun, it's not as good as the other AKs. It's a B. I personally think this is the best AK. Just gonna go ahead in there. Oh no. I can go, yeah. AKU, I really like the AKU, so it's gotta go there also. I've never used the AS Val. I've heard, honestly, I'm just gonna say I've used it. I know how it works. I'm saying it would probably be inside an F. AUG, it's a B. There's gonna be a lot inside B's. D, I hate the Deagle. I do have one, but I hate it. I hate it so much. Like, it doesn't hit anything. Anyways, I love this gun. No, that's going in A, me boy. It's a B, because it's super expensive. That's also an A. It's really good. Basically the FAL, but better. I got the Glock 17. I think that's what it is. I mean, it's a C. I think this is the Glock 18. It's full auto, so, I mean, still C. Okay, this is a massive upgrade to the Makarov. I'll put inside a B. I've never used it, but no. Let's see. You know, I had to raid the whole entire of Beta Factory with this gun. Man, it was not good. I barely made it, but I made it. Pump shotguns. They suck. M1 Garand, it can't, or M1 Garand, no, M16, I don't know what it's really called, but, well, I'll put it in here, yeah. A, because it can't be suppressed, but it is the most damaging rifle. But, yeah, that's B. Hold on. I'll come back to the recording in a sec. Okay, anyways. I'll resume this. Alright. So that, let's see. Has to go inside an S. That has to be an S. It can be suppressed. It does so much damage. I hate that gun. I've never used this gun, but I've actually never used it for a reason. It sucks. This gun, you know what? It's gonna go inside a B. I've used it before. It's really good. Makarov, D. It gets you through the first part of the game. Knife. I didn't know there was knives here. What the? Is this? This is guns. This ain't no knife tier list. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom it back out, but. Alright. It's gonna go inside a C. It's not that good. Well, I've used this gun before. It's okay. I mean, that's a B, for sure. I've never used this one, so D. Oh, is that an SKS? No, that is a PPSH. I've never used the full version. But I'm gonna go ahead and rank both of them. I'm put that in C and I'm put that in B. The Sega. I've used it before, but I don't think it's able to be suppressed. I bought it one time, but then I reloaded my save because I didn't like it. SKS. I mean, it's good, yeah. It got me through most of Pervame. Most of Velocity. It's the same as the pump shotgun, really. It's literally just a pump shotgun. Actually, it's kind of worse than the pump shotgun. I'm not gonna give it an F, but it's still worse than it, because I don't think it has, the bullet holders. I believe this is the machete. Where did I put the knife? Yeah, it has to go one about the knife. I've never used this one, but I think it's good. People told me it's good. So I'll put it A. I think I've used this a little bit. I'm not sure if I've used it too much, but... really same place as the Val, maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, I'll put it into V. Yeah, well, that is actually gonna be it.